Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get your Binance Authenticator key. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account, either through the website or the mobile application. Once logged in, you'll want to find your way to the security settings. This is usually accessible from your profile icon or a dedicated security tab. Look for the option labeled Binance/Google Authenticator and select Enable to begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for enhancing your account's protection. Next, you'll need a two-factor authentication application, such as Google Authenticator, installed on your smartphone. Binance will present you with a unique QR code. Open your Authenticator app and use its scanning feature to capture this code. If scanning isn't an option, or if you prefer, Binance also provides a 16-digit setup key. You can manually input this key into your Authenticator app to link it to your account. Both methods achieve the same secure connection. This step is incredibly important for your account's long-term security. Binance will display a 16-digit setup key. It is absolutely vital that you write this key down on a physical piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot or store it digitally. Once written, store this paper in a very secure, offline location, such as a fireproof safe. This backup key is your only way to regain access if you lose your phone or accidentally delete the Authenticator app. To finalize the setup, open your Authenticator app and retrieve the current 6-digit code. This code changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code into the designated field on the Binance website or app and confirm the linking process. Your two-factor authentication will then be active, adding a crucial layer of security. Remember to always use a strong, unique password for your Binance account and be wary of phishing attempts. Your security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.